Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm here to show you guys how to resolve an issue that you maybe came through while you installing the casino update. So all you need to do is just to go to search and look for register editor. We will look for HK local machine. After that you will go to software, and after that you go to WoW. After that you will look for Rockstar, yes, and so you will find here Rockstar Game Social Club. You will add new key, and the key you will rename it on like Grand Jita V. You will go to open file location, and after that you will grab this name. Okay, let's name it here as rename and Grand Theft Auto V. So after that add new string value, and we will rename it install folder, and you will right to click and this pop up on the screen. So you will look for, after that you will go to open file location and look for the direction of the grain. So we will put it here, and we will finish. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, don't miss to thumbs up and share it with your friend, and don't miss to donate us if you want. So thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.